For the average motorist, the chance of a truck the size of your house pulling up alongside you on the motorway is virtually zero. However, for those who work in some of the world's major mining industries, mega trucks are a common sight. From vehicles longer than a swimming pool to those powerful enough to carry 50 elephants, some of these machines truly defy belief. In this video, we will get to know about 5 biggest and most powerful trucks in the world. Number 5. Belaz 75600. Length 50.85 feet. Height 24.50 feet. Weight 31 feet. Power 350 bhp. Payload 360 metric tons. Made in the small European nation of Belarus, the Belaz 75600 has a massive payload of 360 metric tons, more than 50 adult male elephants. Number 4. Liebherr T284. Length 51.48 feet, height 24.34 feet, weight 31.73 feet, power 3969 bhp. Payload 363 metric tons. The only truck on the list to come from German manufacturer Liebherr at over 50 feet long and 24 feet tall, it is the largest truck in the companies. Number 3. Caterpillar 797. Length 48.56 feet, height 21.39 feet, weight 32 feet, power 4000 bhp, payload 363 metric tons. The biggest truck to come from Caterpillar, its tires are more than twice the height of average man and cost more than 133,000 for a set. Most frightening though, it is top speed more than 42 miles per hour, despite weighing in at 687.5 metric tons. Number 2. Komatsu 980E. Length 45.83 feet, height 26.25 feet, weight 32.84 feet, power 3500 bhp, payload 369.4 metric tons. The largest vehicle made by Komatsu, the 980E, is the Japanese auto industry's equivalent of Godzilla. It is the big brother of the 6th placed 960E2. Number 1. Belaz 75710. Length 67.5 feet, height 26.80 feet, weight 32 feet, power 11,012 bhp, payload 450 metric tons. The world's largest trucks comes to us from Belarus manufacturers Belaz. With dimension equivalent to that of a twin house, it is one imposing figure. Most impressive, however, it what's under the hood. With 11,012 bhp, it has as much power as 7 Bugatti Chiron supercars combined.